Hello, welcome back to another episode of Mini Daily. Wasn't the best start to start coughing, but anyway. Today's episode, what we are going to be concentrating on is try and refurbish and clean up a few of the MK2 Golfs. Say black bits in the engine bay, getting it ready to throw the cylinder head back on. We have a timing belt, we have a water pump, we have a new fan belt. All of that, surprisingly enough, and you can check it out on Autodoc yourself, that was €33 for all of that delivered. Who wouldn't want a MK2? So without further ado, let's get started. Right, so as you can see, actually a quick question for you. Which perspective do you prefer this in? Do you prefer it in this or prefer it like that? I don't know. You see, personally, with the one further out, I find that you get better view of everything, and I stand there and everything disappears. But what we're going to do is we're going to try and shoot it this way, and what we'll do is get the air cleaner and all cleaned up. The assembly, that's plastic, so that'll just need cleaning. The top of the air filter, which is metal, we'll get all that ground back with a wire wheel. Same with that, and get the whole lot in cure rust and get some black on it. And then while the cure rust is working and doing its magic, we will clean up the plastics on this, because I have some lovely product to show you on that. Note when doing videos, always remember to have the dates with you. Right, instead of doing what I was going to do with the wire brush and the drill, we're just going to use an old-fashioned wire brush. You can be falling over something and cue the time lapse. Ginger dust. Now, as you can see, that couple of seconds it come up a little bit better. There's actually something on the top of it there. Man filters. Fair enough. More ginger dust. Right, that doesn't look too bad. Looks a hell of a lot better on the inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I have any rough sandpaper, and we'll just sand it back a little bit. Now, I'm sorry, Parkside, if you don't sponsor me at this stage, there's a problem. Parkside, Parkside, Parkside. Oh look, Parkside. I know you can't see it, but you can probably hear it. That sounds a hell of a lot smoother than what it was. Now, what that's after revealing, I don't know if you can see it there, it says man, don't have a clue, then a part number, then Volkswagen, Audi, then something in German, then another number. Pretty cool. Now, a couple of minutes. Get a bit of brush cleaner on. I'm probably high as a kite in here. Yeah, just get some brake cleaner and put it around it. Reason I'm saying that is if I spin it around. Yeah, I was painting that as well. I was painting parts of the Morris. So the shed is open, but I can feel the fumes. Yeah, I'm not actually going to bother with cure rust on that. It's under an engine bay. Now, I will clean the air filter up, obviously, and all that, but I have stuff here, if I can find it. Yeah, Parkside again, but this stuff paints straight onto rust apparently, so let's give it a go. You thought it was going to be stupid enough to paint it there. Now, for anyone who's going to start shouting at me saying, that's not perfect, I don't care. It's not a concourse car. Jesus. Right, let's get back in here and we will get this fan all cleaned up. Now, no idea if the fan works or not. It spins, so I'm just guessing it works. Again, that's not seen, so it's just getting a quick and paint. Bring it back in when it's time to paint that. Yep, it's on the floor. Yes, it's near dust. Not a concourse car. Now again, not a concourse car, but it is black, and it's nicely black. Let's have a look at this air filter. Again, not concourse, can't see your face, but it's a lot cleaner than what it was. Right, I moved this out this time so you can tell me which is prefer, in or, as I said further back, it's 0.5x and 1x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some cleaner. I'm going to give this a nice little clean and call it a day there. Now, shout out to these boys, JLD Auto Care. If you see the video, can I try some more of your products, please? I got this bubbleberry pink. It's pity you don't have smell-o-vision. This stuff smells absolutely amazing. I'm after cleaning my car 3 or 4 times, and I've cleaned the mark forward as well, and it's brilliant. Watch what it does on this. It does say apply sparingly, but that's really dirty. Look at the difference in that, lads. That's only half hours cleaning it. Let's get this side done and see how it comes up. Again, for a quick half hour's clean. That stuff was bloody brilliant. Just clean around this edge here. I think we can call that done. Absolutely lovely. Just has to go back in now. Hopefully the engine will run. Now, a little tedious and boring video, some is, but any is to following the Mark II build or following the channel, it's progress, and progress is great. I spare half an hour to see them, went and I did that, and you know what, looking over there and looking over there, I feel the better for it. So if you do have a spare 10, 20 minutes even, get out into the garage, get something done, tidy up a little bit. Without me waffling, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, share amongst your friends, and I'll catch you in the next one.